To get started using Bicep, the first thing we want to do is install the Azure CLI on our local environment. I've included these pages as links just for ease of navigation and access. We can see that the current version of the Azure CLI is highlighted here, and we're now just going to select the operating system we're working with. I've chosen Windows, and as we scroll down, we can see that there's an option to install or update the Azure CLI on your OS system. I find it easiest just to go to Microsoft Installer and choose the option here in order to install or update the Azure CLI. Once we've done that, we're going to navigate over to Bicep CLI commands. We can see along the right-hand side the different commands that we can use with Bicep. So we have the option of build, decompile, publish, restore, etc. But in order to use any of these, we first need to install the Bicep CLI to our local environment. So I'm now just going to move over to VS Code and show you how to do that. So once we're in VS Code, we're just going to click on Terminal, New Terminal, make sure we're on PowerShell. We're going to type in AZ Bicep install and run that. I've then pasted a PowerShell script that you're going to pop in next, and we're going to run it as well. So you'll find this linked, and it will take a few seconds like so, but once it succeeds, we'll just clear it to give us a wee bit more room. And then we'll just check the version of Bicep we're working from. So AZ Bicep version, run, and it'll let us know now the version that we're working with is highlighted like so. And I just want to make sure that it is the most up-to-date one. So I'm going to type in AZ Bicep list versions. And we can see here it's going to show us all the different versions of Bicep, but we are working with the latest one. So once we know that, we're going to move over and download the Bicep plugin. So we're going to go to extensions on the blade along the left. We're going to type in Bicep. And we can see here it's Microsoft certified. I have it installed, but you're then going to install it. And once you do that, we're going to File, New File, and we're then just going to change the language. So by clicking down here, I can then change the language to Bicep and then begin creating my template.